Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maham Tai. Sorry for being so MIA, but we are going to post regularly now. Today my video is going to be about the different myths that we hear in the fitness industry. And we are going to tell you the reality and we're going to debunk them. So let's go ahead. Okay, so myth number 1. The first myth is that doing cardio solely is going to help you in weight loss. No. Doing cardio solely is not going to be your sole purpose in your weight loss journey. It is really important for you to understand that cardio is an essential part of your workout. Doing 20 to 30 minutes of cardio is an important factor, but you need to combine it with a bit of strength training, weight training, HIIT, and make a combination of your workout to get better results of your body. The second myth is that lifting heavy weights is going to bulk me up. This is a common myth in a lot of people, especially women. Women think that if we're going to go towards weightlifting or if we're lifting heavy weight, we're going to become muscular or we're going to become more masculine. We need to understand something about our body. Women do not have that enough testosterone level in their body to become a bodybuilder. So if you think you want to become a bodybuilder, you will have to work a lot, and I mean a lot, to become that muscular. So if you want to go for weight training, if you want to go for strength training, do not be afraid. Weights are your friends and they are really good for your body, and it also keeps you fit and keeps your body toned as well. Let's go towards the third myth. I worked out a lot today, so I can eat a little unhealthy. No, you cannot eat unhealthy even if you have worked out a lot. You need to remember that your calorie output should be more than your calorie input. And it is important to remember that nutrition and diet is sort of like 60% of your weight loss journey or your weight gain journey. Depends on what you're going for, but nutrition and proper diet is the key. Okay, so the fourth myth is that stretching helps prevent injuries. We all know that it is really important for us to do stretching and dynamic and static stretching exercises before any workout or even any sport that we will play, whether you're going for volley, basketball, cricket, or any other sport that you opt for. Even before working out, it is necessary to do a warm-up and then start your workout. And also while you're ending your workout, a cool down is also important. But we need to take this out of our head that it will prevent injuries. It eases your body down, your muscles become warmed up for the workout, but you need to remember that injuries are related to proper form and angles of your exercise. So it is not going to prevent injury, but make your body warmed up and decrease the chances of your injury. But you shouldn't keep this in your mind that if I have done my stretching, I will not get injured. So please remember, proper form and angles are really important while working out. Myth number 5. We always consider the number that is on the scale. No, we need to stop measuring our body according to the weight that the scale is showing, because that can be influenced by a lot of factors, which could be how much water I drank, what time did I eat, what time am I weighing. That all of these factors considered are a lot of things that influence your weight on the scale. So the best way to measure your weight loss or weight gain is by measuring yourself through an inch tape and knowing how to measure your arms, waist, thighs, waist to see whether you're losing inches or whether you're gaining inches. So don't always go for the measurement on your way. Just remember that your inches need to lose or they need to gain depending on your weight loss journey or your weight gain. So these were 5 common myths that we need to avoid at all costs, and you need to remember this in your head because these factors will affect your fitness journey a lot. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, follow for more videos like these, and increase your knowledge in the fitness industry and know a lot more about your body, more about the exercise routines, and stay healthy. Thank you.